Hey, it's Svetlana with Fancy Pants Hair. Thank you for joining me today. This video is going to be hilarious. It's somewhat of a parody on what all stylists have thought at one point or another and what most clients have said at one point or another. Okay, my stylist friends, you can totally relate, and clients, listen closely, because this is what all hairdressers are thinking. We love our clients, and of course, they are the bread and butter of our lives, but they can be pretty hilarious too. Let's see if you're guilty of any of these. All right, so what have you been up to lately?
Just go ahead. Nothing much. School's out, so the kids are having a lot of fun. Yeah.
All right, so what are you thinking we're gonna do today?
I'm actually really ready for something big.
Yeah.
Something
big change.
Yeah. I was thinking, I don't really want to take the length off very much. I really like my color. What do you think?
So you don't want to do anything different?
No, I want to do something big, something like different. Yeah. What do you? So I have 3 layers right now, and I want 4 total.
There's no such thing.
No, like I have like 3 right now. See how there's 3, and I want 4. So, how much do you charge for a haircut anyways?
About $45 for a women's haircut.
How much do you charge for a trim? Just a little trim. Like, I don't want a lot. Is there any way you can maybe hold my check till next week? That's when I get paid. So, if you could do anything differently to my hair, what do you think you would do?
Alright, so what do you want to do today?
I'm really just trying to stay all natural. I mean, I really would just love to just wash and go. Can you maybe just give it a nice shape so I can just wash and go?
Are you sure? Okay, so, alright, what do you think about the cut?
Can you maybe take, I don't know, maybe like this much more off? I just really don't feel like I've gotten my money's worth yet. Sure, just a little bit. Sure. No one's really ever been able to do my hair right. What do you think?
Alright, you ready to get started on your 3-color weave?
Yeah, I think, that's what we talked about.
Yes, we did.
I'm still pretty nervous though.
Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous.
So, do you think this is a good idea?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think that maybe a lighter color, or maybe even a darker color would be a better idea?
Well, I mean, that's up to you. You're the client.
Yeah, you can go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. I mean, the only thing that I was thinking of is, what if you do... No, yeah, it's okay, fine, it's fine. Did you put red in it?
No, actually, I put straight double ash.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It looks a little red. It looks a little red. Are you sure?
If you liked this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe at the link below. And thanks for watching. We will see you next time.